Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to make this green curry chicken with my own spin. Without wasting our time, let us get into the video. Add the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds into a pan and toast them for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns light brown. Add them into the dry blender and blend them finely. These are the ingredients needed to make the green paste. Add the spicy green chilies, depends on the level of spiciness you want. The original recipe requires basil leaf, but I use mint leaves instead. Into a hot pan, add half of the coconut milk. Save the another half for later. Cook them for about 1 minute. Now add the green paste we blended earlier. Stir them well. It's time to add the chicken right now. In this recipe, I'm using half chicken. Add some water if the curry is too thick. Season the curry with required amount of salt. Cook the curry for about 15 to 20 minutes or till the chicken is completely cooked. You can also add vegetables such as cauliflower, carrot or beans in this curry. Once the chicken's cooked, add the balanced coconut milk. If your curry is too thick, you can add more water. Stir them well. Green curry chicken is ready to serve. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this recipe, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel Laksha. See you again in my next video. Stay safe and take care, guys. Bye!